Still scrapping for it. Comes for Chukwueze. He's outnumbered but gets his shot away and scores. Brilliantly taken by Samuel Chukwueze. And Nigeria in front in the final for the second time. Well, he's been at the heart of most of their attacking play so far.
Okay, so congratulations to the Super Eagles. They've won the Unity Cup and everybody's happy and everything. But ask yourself, are you really happy inside? What are we doing, Seth? So I wanted to tag this video, so what, right? Okay, I'm not trying to be arrogant or no, I'm not giving them credit. I mean, there's nothing short of happiness when you see your team win or when you do well or something. I mean, you should feel good. The coach and the team for, coming out strong and finishing strong and winning the trophy. Very good. It's been a while the Super Eagles have won anything. So winning that trophy, comes in handy. But you see, as you all know, that is not the big deal. I think the coach is trying to see how we can get new players, new blood, younger players, talented. We don't like that. Nigerians always have that. Be in the local league or foreign league, you don't come short when it comes to getting skills and talent. It's how to harness it to make it fulfill your dreams. In this case, I think that's what he's doing, preparing for 26 World Cup. Or is it beyond the World Cup? You tell me. Because I don't know. As it is, like I said before, if I've watched the last video, Nigeria is placed 4th in the Group C table of the qualification series for the World Cup 2026. How will Nigeria be able to step up from 4th position to number 1? Too much, too late, as it seems, because you have the likes of South Africa, Rwanda, Benin, right in front of Nigeria. And they are not relenting in their efforts. They want to qualify too. And let me tell you this, Nigeria made them to have that confidence. No disrespect to these teams. I think they've worked hard. They've achieved what they have. But you see, Nigeria at this point, the Super Eagles should have sealed their position in qualifying, if you ask me. Being in that kind of group, I don't see anything that should have stopped Nigeria, except Nigeria stopping themselves. And that is what they've done. Now, they've been playing, lackadaisical from the get-go, thinking that they will qualify no matter what. But let me see how they will pull this off. The coach is optimistic. I don't know where he gets it from. I am not optimistic. I'm not pessimistic either. I'm just, wishing. What's the worst that can happen, right? But again, let the team prove us wrong. I see the gingerness in this crop of new players. They're trying to make a statement that they can make a difference in the national team. But if you look at that game against Jamaica critically, the Jamaicans, very quick in playing. They were making Nigerians to be on their toes. The Super Eagles were on their toes. And they stepped up. They scored 2 beautiful goals, Nigeria, that is. And even though they conceded 2 back, but even the penalty mindset was to win. You can see the players coming out to play the penalty during the penalty shootout. They came in with a positive attitude and they scored all their chances. They made all their chances count and they won. Now, that doesn't mean that they were not scared or anything, but the positivity I saw in them when they were about to take that spot kick, it made me even believe that they could win the tournament. But so after saying all of that, I'm still saying we still need to qualify for the Mondial. Don't you guys think so? The Mondial is key here, and I just still hope, I don't know, hope against all hope to see how, with the coach and all that, to make this work. Because in case this qualify, you begin to sound like, I'm sorry to say, Arsenal. Hey, no disrespect to all the Arsenal fans, but there's a lot of mathematics played when you allow other teams to help you, so to speak, so you can qualify. What are we doing, Seth? So I think that's the predicament the Super Eagles is facing at this point. Will they qualify based on their results so far and their standings in the group? Can they really still qualify? Can they beat Rwanda and win all their other matches and hoping that the other 3 lose? Is that possible? Again, can they make it work? Let's see how it goes. I just like to put this out there. What do you guys think? Let me get your comments. Am I being pessimistic or no? Or I'm being realistic at this point? Let me know in your comments. What do you think? I've seen some of the comments that you guys have made already on my first video concerning the Super Eagles. I mean, somebody even said, hey, they are not qualifying. Point blank. Okay? Do you still think Nigeria can still qualify for the Mundial in the US? Okay? Let me get your thoughts on this one. Let me see how it goes. Congratulations to the Super Eagles again. Nah, I'm not dissing anybody. They did a good job. They won Ghana. Talking about Ghana, did you see what happened? Ghana was actually behind Jamaica to win Nigeria. I mean, I really don't get that. I understand the rivalry and everything. But at this point, you are supporting a foreigner and you are leaving your neighbor. Ghanaians, come on now, Charlie. Come on, Charlie. Really? At least, if I think Ghana has qualified, good for you. And I don't wish you bad. I wish you do well in 2026 World Cup, right? But it will be more fun when Nigeria is also there, right? Why the beefing? Now, for now, Charlie. Anyway, it's all good. The worst that can happen, we prepare for the next Mondial. But hopefully, no hope. We've not really lost hope. Let's see how it goes. Things can just turn around for the good. And I hope it works for Nigeria too. All right. Let me get your comments. Thanks for subscribing. And don't forget to turn on your notification button for more, clips like this. And remember to always share. As you share, good things will happen to you too, because you want good things to happen to us. Talk to you soon again, folks.
What are we doing, Seth?